mission is to use the stored promethium in the refinery to destroy the enemy swarm. The Cadians were tasked with providing assistance, but we have since lost contact. First, proceed to the Cadian outpost and establish their fate. You must then infiltrate the refinery and complete demolition's deployment. Trigger detonation only when the main swarm has entered the blast zone. Captain Akaram will coordinate our efforts over Vox.
Minor organism spotted. Larger xenos will not be far. Servo gun strike in progress. Large Tyranid organism destroyed. Activating Tarantula sentry gun. Munitions replenished. Frag detonator out. Enemy units call for backup. Servo gun is fully operational. Hostile backup inbound. Concentrate your fire. Frag grenade out. Gun strike ready to deploy. Formidable Tyranid organism terminated. Repurposing battlefield sentry. Restoring battle readiness. Munitions depleted. Reloading. Automatic weaponry engaged. Monstrous xenos eradicated. Refreshing armaments. Restoring sentry to battle-ready status. war gear in hand. Injecting stim. Servo harness gun available. I can restore this sentry to operational status. Servo gun engaged. Stealth-based Xenos revealed and removed. Locus established.
Talassa, you need to acquire the Astra Militarum demolition codes required to deploy and arm their ordnance. Source one from any soldier you see, alive or otherwise.
Tyranid leader beast destroyed. Refreshing armaments. Servo gun is fully operational.
If I am the first to find these codes, you should expect a reprimand.
Xenos organisms incoming. Check your log.
Captain, we are ready to get the demolition started.
Proceed to the Prometheum refinery and complete the demolition preparations.
Throwing frag. Large Tyranid organism destroyed. Fragmentation grenade. This tarantula is still battle-worthy. Fragmentation grenade deployed. Formidable Tyranid organism terminated. Tyranid assault suppressed. Our line holds. Munitions replenish. Gun strike ready to deploy. Performing self, no turning back. Understood. Traversal may proceed. Let the servo gun do its job.
Neutralized.
Restoring sentry to battle-ready status. Ravener on the field, brothers. Servo gun strike in progress. Ravener status, dead. Repurposing battlefield sentry. Servo gun is fully operational.
Talassa, the Cadians are running out of time. How close are you to the Prometheum facility? You are making good time. We are going to need it. Use the codes to prime the bomb and finish its deployment into the crude Prometheum well. Cautiously, if you know what is good for you.
Throwing crack grenade. Refreshing armaments.
Ready in payload delivery.
Rites of activation have been observed. The generators hum in the machine god's name. Crane sequencing initialized. Delivering payload.
Utilizing anti-armor explosives.
Prepare for hostiles at Generator 2.
Potential heretical sabotage of Generator 2. Secure immediately. Axis aligned by the Omnissiah's will. Attention. Crane drive is jammed. Perform the necessary cleansing to resume operation. Deployment resumed. Drive train restored. Begin the chorus of locomotion adepts.
Suppress the enemy heading to Generator 1.
Overcrowding alert at Generator 1. Unauthorized personnel. Observe your duties.
My servo harness gun will handle this.
Swapping out magazine.
Swarm approaching. Keep firing lanes to Generator 3 clear.
My axis aligned. Generator 3 is discharging irregular current. Eliminate these unholy fluctuations.
Concussive grenade deployed!
Reposition and retake that generator.
Gun strike ready to deploy.
Swarm spotted. Headed toward Generator 4.
Vacate Generator 4's cowling. Climbing is not permitted while in operation.
Defend that generator. I will cover you.
Servo gun is fully operational. Turrets have unleashed a sowing through.
Demolition deployment sequence concluded. Now there is logged under the Omnissiah's watchful oculus.
Ready to intercept the Tyranid in advance, Captain.
There is an observation platform overlooking the Prometheum fields. It will make a good vantage for your ambush.
Servo harness gun available. Psycho-classified Xenos destroyed. Fresh ammunition acquired. Waiting on you. I can restore this sentry to operational status. Gun strike ready to deploy. Hive parasites inbound. Ready your arsenal. tarantula sentry gun. Servo gun is fully operational. Xenos Alpha Beast eradicated. Restoring sentry to battle-ready status.
Engaging elite countermeasures.
My gratitude, brother.
Preparing disciplinary report.
Arming up.
Servo harness gun available. Repurposing battlefield sentry. Munitions replenished. War gear in hand. Line stim to wounds.
We have arrived at Nozick's facility. Run distraction efforts as long as you can.
Your plan is sound, brother. The swarm will be broken.
I will hold you to that.
Target the living artillery.
Magazine.
I can restore this sentry to operational status. Servo gun strike in progress.
Secure engine ultra. I have seen worse.
Most efficient rescue, brother.
Grenade out!
Cut Tyranids dispersed. You honor your war gear. This tarantula is still battle-worthy. Gunstrike ready to deploy.
Fired.
Crack grenade out! Servo gun engaged.
Fire! Keep them!
Large Tyranid organism destroyed. Ready to advance. Refreshing armaments.
Dig in. We need that bomb triggered for optimal yield. Orbital scan estimates the bulk of the swarm will not be in position for a while yet. Keep your heads and get it done.
The swarm is upon us.
Crack grenade.
The bulk of the swarm is continuing along the predicted path. Continue holding.
Servo gun is fully operational. Formidable Tyranid organism terminated. Xenos activity is increasing rapidly. Prepare to
Coming from behind!
monstrous Xenos eradicated.
Halfway there, brothers. Keep it up.
Gun strike ready to deploy. I can restore this sentry to operational status.
New enemies have entered my firing range.
Munitions replenished.
The swarm has almost fully committed. Be ready for my mark.
Organic systems critical. Repairing biocomponents. Servo harness gun available. Tyranid leader beast destroyed. Activating Tarantula Sentry Gun.
You are clear to detonate. Cook those rotten bastards. Now.
Decimus. Wish you could see these dead bastards.
Tyranid biosigns down 90% and falling. Swarm annihilation confirmed. Excellent work. Move to extract.
Servo gun is fully...
Thunderhawk arriving at evac point. Ramp down and ready. Extraction complete. Returning to orbit. Commendable work, brothers. You honor your chapter. Be ready for rearm, refit, and redeployment immediately.